And we've been to all corners of South Africa, and we're happy that our people have received our message. Leadership of the EFF was on the ground, and members and the ground forces of the EFF were on the ground, and we think that South Africans have heard the message of the EFF and they received it very well. And we can only hope for the best. It's now in the hands of South Africans. The youth of South Africa must come out in their numbers, because this has got to do with them. This is about the future. It's about investing in the infrastructure and service delivery in our own localities. And the youth must be in the forefront of such fight. So I hope that wherever young people are readying themselves to make sure that we close on a high note. I'm happy with the turnout of old people, and we need the youth to come out in their numbers.
Marshal Sadika, Pretoria News. What did you do differently this time?
We are having structures all over South Africa, branches of the EFF properly constituted. We have candidates of the EFF chosen by the branches of the EFF in very peaceful meetings. And therefore, we have managed to cover the ground we have not covered in 2014, 2016, and 2019. So that's what gives us confidence.
Again, CIC, in 2016, the issue was the low turnout vote, the voter turnout, of course, was quite low, even in this one, 57%. But I'm sure, in your words, over the last 5 years or so, have you seen a significant improvement in the interest of politics by young people?
At some point I thought there was apathy, but the rallies of the EFF have actually changed my perception with regard to voter apathy amongst young people. I think the youth is highly interested, and they are going to come out in their numbers. I think they've now realized that they cannot leave it in the hands of their parents only. They too have to take an active part if they want to see changes. So I think there is no youth apathy. I think the youth are more interested and are going to get them.
There was an altercation just now as you were standing in line when some of your supporters were singing. Do you have any comment?
No, there was no altercation. The guy said they can't sing inside the voting station, and he was correct. You can't sing inside the voting station, so that's why they quickly kept quiet and they moved away. So when a person goes crazy alone, it can't be called an altercation, because an altercation must involve more than one person. So I'm not going to tomorrow half so no one fought with anyone or exchanged anything with anyone. When the point was raised, we received it well. The people were excited to see their leadership, and when the point was raised, we accepted it. And the provincial chairperson spoke to them, and they peacefully left because they don't want any altercation. Altercations are for losers. When you win, you don't disrupt your victory. You just peacefully engage in a battle that you know you fought at war. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.